This Weber repair video is all about replacing the burner tubes on the Genesis 2 LX line of grills. You don't have to remove the lid of the grill, but it's safer if you do. Get a helper to support the lid while you remove the cotter pins and hinge pins, then pull the lid away. You will need to remove the cooking grates and the flavorizer bars so you can get to the burner tubes. Never put the grates on the side table because you could scratch the stainless steel. While you're at it, remove the warming rack and pull off the knobs in preparation for removing the control panel. Some grills require a Torx driver for this, so be sure you've got one in your kit. The driver here is a T25 size. Remove one machine screw from each end of the control panel, then lift the control panel up and away from the grill. Pull off the spade connectors on the lighted control knob button, then turn the white plastic rings to unlock the control knob wiring harness from the control panel. With the wiring disconnected, remove the control panel and put it someplace safe for now. Rotate the burner slightly and lift it clear of the bracket that supports the end. Lift the tube and slide it away from the manifold, exposing the full length of the porcelain igniter. Lift the hooded end of the igniter first, then lift again to pull off the back end. Always use genuine Weber parts for repairs. The number you see here is the part number of the burner tubes for this particular grill. Besides the parts in the box, be sure to look for any paperwork that might have special installation instructions. Installing the new burner tubes is simply the reverse of what you've already done. Angle the tube a little bit so you have room to snap the porcelain igniter electrode shroud in place. The bumps on the porcelain need to line up with the holes on the burner. Now's the time to slide the burner tube over the manifold on the other side of the cook box. Move the end of the burner tube back into the bracket you removed it from earlier. Notice how there's a slot in the end of the burner tube that needs to engage with the bracket. Move on and repeat the whole process for the other burner tubes. Replace the wiring on the control panel, then snap the control panel in place and secure it with the two machine screws, one at each end. Replace the control knobs, then get ready to test to see if those new burner tubes are working properly. If you're working on a propane grill like we are here, set a tank in place on the tank scale, connect the regulator, then test the connection with soapy water. Rinse afterwards with clear water. Test to make sure each burner lights quickly and burns evenly along its full length. Replace the flavorizer bars, the cooking grates, the warming rack, and the lid. And if the grill owner is around when you're finishing up, please say thank you for choosing Weber. It's the skill, diligence, and courtesy of repair technicians just like you that have made Weber grills famous the world over.